Hey guys, what's going on? This is me Mythical and welcome back to another video of a tutorial. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to make an AVI just like this. So let's get to the video. So what you first want to do is create your text. So your text will be what you want, obviously. So we're going to give an M, for example. Basically state it as Mythical. Let's pull out the size to 720, which is the highest. Then pick your favorite font that you want. Now I like this one, Martyr Personalize, and then there's another one which I will be using right now. Let me look for it. It's this one. I can't actually read what's written here. Raise one original. We're gonna be using this one, and then if you get this problem like this, like where the text doesn't show up whole, I'm going to show you how to do that. So go to the paddings and just we get it up until you see the whole text is here. With the relative position at the middle, what you're going to do is go to color, change the color to grayish, and then you're going to go to 3D text, add the 3D effect, put whatever depth you want. I'm going to give 13, and I'll mess with the extrudation like this, and like see which one you like, and then afterwards you're gonna see how much of the depth and stuff you're gonna tweak, and then you're gonna go out. Then you can see that it looks good, and then you're gonna go and select transparent and then save it to gallery. Make sure it is PNG. Now after you've done that, don't go outside the app. What you're gonna do is go to the text again, select the color to completely white, and then you're gonna go to the 3D text again, turn on the 3D text, center it to make sure it is on the perfect position, go out, save it to gallery, and make it PNG. Now I'm gonna see you in PS. Right now, as you can see, we are in PS Touch. What you want to do is click this plus button and then select these 1000 and by 1000. So this is the size of a logo or whatever you want to say. Click on OK. Now we are on this empty layer. Pick your desired wallpaper that you like. So the wallpaper as shown in the video, at the start of the video, we're going to be using this particular wallpaper. We're going to go to click this. When you click this plus button, you look for wallpapers or whatever file name is for it in your gallery, and then you're going to pick your favorite one. I have a glitch that does not show these, so I just renamed the file for YT. We're selecting this, and then you're gonna like choose how much of the picture and which part of the picture do you actually want. I'm gonna pick this part, and one second, I did a mistake. Pick this part, place it properly so that no transparent part is left, and then what you're gonna go do is go to Pixel Lab and then get your text up and running. We're in the middle, get your other text here, and it's placed. Now it doesn't. Now we're gonna put its size and place it properly. Make it a little bit bigger as you like, and then place the other one properly. Now that it's placed properly, what you're going to do is go to this plus button, make 2 duplicate layers, and then put one of the layers on the top of this 3D text, select the pixel of this, and then go to the pencil button, and then click on extract. Deselect it, remove the 3D text, we don't need it anymore, keep that extracted part. Do the same thing to the 2D text, select the pixels, go to the pencil button, click on extract, remove this one. Now what you're going to do is change the brightness. So what will be the brightness for the actual background? It will be this minus 92%, and the contrast will be 10%. Then what you're gonna do is go to the 3D text and then go to brightness and contrast. Go to this, just remove all of this, and then minus 85%. That's gonna be it. And then what you're gonna do next is get an empty layer for the 3D text. Select the pixels, go to fill and stroke, then put the stroke to about 10. Then there we go. And what you're gonna do is deselect it and then add Gaussian blur to it. Put it on 10. Then what you're gonna do is go to the 3D text layer, select pixels, click there again, select inverse, and then what you're gonna do is click on clear. Then you're gonna go to this paper button and you're gonna click on overlay, make some duplicate layers. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing with this 2D layer as well. You're gonna go to there, fill and stroke to 10. There we go. And then what you're gonna do is deselect and then click on Gaussian blur. Do that. Select the pixels and then click on inverse and then click on clear. There we go. Click on overlay and then add some duplicate layers. There we go. Sorry about that. And then what you're gonna do is click on this 2D text layer, click on duplicate layer, go and then change it to overlay. Click on it again, make it another duplicate layer, change it to liner dodge. Now what you're going to do is click on directional blur, make it full, and then do it again if you want. Then use Gaussian blur at around 35 to 30, or if you don't want low, you can just increase it to 100 for some people. And then what you're going to do is click on color balance. Now what you're going to do in color balance is change the color to your desired one. Now I'm going to see which one I like. There we go. We picked it. Green will be 0%, red will be minus 67%, and blue will be 100%. If you're trying to make it in the same way, you can do that. And then you're going to click on this tick mark button. Then you're gonna take an empty layer, click on gradient, then click on this. Then you're gonna go to that painting. Then you're gonna click the black circle, put its opacity to the lowest, which is 0%. Then you're gonna zoom out and then put it at the top. There we go. And then what you're gonna do is change it to overlay, as you see. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing, we just change the color balance, and then it's gonna be the same. And then what you're gonna do is get another duplicate layer and then click this button, and then you're gonna click this and I put it at the bottom, make it bigger as you wish, and then I put it like there. Add some blur if you want, it's your wish. Then what you're gonna do is go to this layer, this background layer. I'm gonna take an empty layer, there's one already here, I'm gonna use that. Go to select pixels, and then you're gonna go to the empty layer, go to fill and stroke, and then add something like 30, and then go out, and then go to Gaussian blur and pick something like 70, and then there we go. What you're gonna do is change it to overlay, create some, sorry. And then what you're gonna do is create some duplicate layers as much as you want, and then this is just a just in case type of thing. If the text is still too not bright, what you're gonna do is take an empty layer, take gradient, and then you're gonna put it at the center of everything. You're just gonna put its opacity to the middle, change it to overlay, and change its color balance. Now this is, it's just in case thing, you don't have to do it. My text is already very bright, so I don't need it, so I'm gonna remove it. But in all cases, it's done. This is how it would look like. And then what you're gonna do is click the back button, press save. It's gonna take some time to save. And what I'm gonna do is click on this and save it to gallery in which type of file you want out of a PNG, and then click on OK. And now it's saved, and it would look like this. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna be seeing you guys later on. If you want more tutorials like this, you can hit the like button below, subscribe, and comment down below that you want more of this. You make sure to check out my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and check out the channels of my other friends on the channel section. And I'm gonna be seeing you guys later on. Bye.